Hello, my name is Maiko Kusaka, and I have been working for the S/4HANA Global Template Volume Project as a financial accounting team member for the past 3 years. Currently, the client uses multiple systems in each business operations and in different global locations. However, to accelerate the business and make it innovative, we support integrating their systems into one S/4HANA system. Hard work of 9 different group members and smooth communication between the clients and team members are required. To date, our team has created Japan headquartered template configuration documents and developed prototype systems to meet the client's business need. Now we're working on system integration test. I am excited to launch this template that will allow us to expand in other global locations. Thank you.